So yeah, all my car lovers, get in the comments. Which car is your favorite? You know what I mean? Leave a comment. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way, every time I bring you content like this, you'll be the first one. You know what I'm saying? To get to catch some of these car content when I do car content. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is live right here, y'all. I don't know which one. Which one do I get? Like, which one would you pick? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Go Lucky Chicken, and we are live, man. Go Lucky Celebrity Media, man. You feel me? We are live right now at the Tactical Fleet Exotic Car warehouse. You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned, man. Look at the vehicles in here, man. This is crazy. You feel me? One day I'm gonna have one of these cars. But yeah, y'all check it out. Look at this. This is live right here. Look at that price on it. $799,000. Aventador. It's like a Jane. Oh, this is a McClaren. Chino, this is McClaren right here. 458. Wow. Hold on, son. Hold on. Ferrari. Oh yeah, got the Rolls Royce on it. 2015 458 Italian. Oh, V10 Audi. Oh man, look at this right here.
That's an SG.
695. What's 2021? It's
Ferrari SJ.
F90. Straight that. Oh, this is live. How y'all doing? It's
Colin.
Check out this fleet, y'all. Check out this fleet.
That's a big phone all the time.
Hey man, we are live right here. Look at the fleet of these cars. This is live. This is what I'm talking about. One day I'm gonna come here and buy me one of these cars one day, man. This right here. Lamborghini. Wow. Ooh. Take a picture. Got my son right here, Cheeto family. Get a picture.
Right here?
Yeah.
You want me to like put it up to 2.5?
1.5, yeah.
0.5 it is. 3, 2, 1.
That's good. Wow, look at this right here, y'all. 2011 Huracan Evo. Look at that. Look at the color. Listen, y'all. This is what you're talking about right here. You talk about exotic whips. Come to Tactical Fleets. They got everything you need right here, man. They got the Ferraris. Yeah. They got the Ferraris. They got the drop heads back there. We're gonna get over. I'm gonna show you all these cars. Look at this.
They have the Viper. Oh, the that's like 2018. So it's 2022.
Wow.
I never got to look at this.
Oh, they got the McClaren over there.
I just told you.
Over there.
This ain't McClaren.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look. They're moving that way. We gotta be so careful. It's gonna be a lot of money. This is a GTR. Oh yeah, I do like this too. Very nice.
Yeah. Got all the wheels over there.
You can imagine all the cars rim at the same time. Look at old school back there. Oh, this is so nice.
Maybach. This is a 2022 $200,000 car right here.
Oh, look at the back seat. There's so much space.
See?
This is so nice.
This is the way to go right here, man. Get a lot of money, save up your money, work hard. This is it right here.
You can really just move to the next section.
Which one do you guys think I should get? Which one of these cars you guys think I should get? Let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know. Like and subscribe to the channel. Go look at Celebrity Media. Alright.
I think you should get at least that one right there. That red one.
Oh, it's gotta be one of
Or you
these.
should get that black Huracan.
Gotta be a Ferrari.
You look clean in a Huracan.
Gotta be a Ferrari 48, y'all.
Oh,
Ooh, look at this color on this
this got this metallic. Now this is
matte.
yeah, matte black.
Lambo. What is this?
This is a Huracan. Ain't no Lambo black.
Still a Lamborghini, son.
It's still a Huracan.
229K.
305,000.
Ooh, that's nice.
This one's so hard though.
Ooh. Here it comes. This is what I like for you. Y'all have to help me out now. Which one do you guys think I should get? Ooh, look at this red. Listen, man, I come in here, man. This you talk about hard to pick from. Look at that red popping. Ooh. Moving on this side right here, y'all. They got everything. I see they got a military Jeep over there too. I can't wait to get on that side over here. They got the Porsches. Ooh, what is this, 911? Yep, Porsche 911. Wow, that's so clean too. Look at my son out here. Doing a little car shopping. Ooh, look at that right there. Bentley. Oh yeah.
I see somebody's hat inside of
Look
this
at the big grill on that stuff. 229K. That's a 2019 right there. Luxury right here. Wow.
This one is nice inside. It has a good
That's that
interior.
big boy right here. 400. Ooh, 2020. What's that? Phantom. Well, that thing got almost 500K, boy.
You don't gotta get the next to this one. You have to. You have
Nah,
to.
this ain't really my style.
This is clean.
It's not my style though. It's a Phantom too.
Exactly. It's clean. You can't tell me this ain't clean.
This an older one though. Yep, 2013. Yep. Shout out to my guy Stromile. Stromile had one.
Oh, 100%
back in the day.
drive this any day. This is a good one too.
It's probably a newer one.
If I get a one of those, I'm customizing this. Customizing all. Look at the yellow when I go back. Oh, what's this? Next.
Look, they got cars all over there, y'all. Look.
It's
Ooh.
an old one. Those two.
We got little like toys up in here. You got a cool job, man. You got a cool job, man.
I guess so.
Right. Tell me what y'all feeling. What y'all feeling so what? Which one of these cars y'all feeling so far? Ooh, look at this right now. This is gangster right here, y'all. Look at this. Whoa, look at the black on this side. Look how I look from the back. The one right there. I like how I look from the back. That's presidential right there. That's straight up presidential right there. Lamborghini used. Yeah. More Bentleys. I'm gonna come over there. Look at that porch. That's, ooh, this sucker right here is clean. Oh, no. Bad boy. Because that gold light?
Bro, once you see that one over there.
Look at that Hummer. This is real. This the first Hummer right
These
here.
are like over $1 million.
I'm gonna see how much it is. Got the big boy tires on that
See how much
sucker.
it is.
Tinted windows. Woo! Y'all, please leave a comment.
This is.
It's only 100,000.
105,000.
I mean, that's a lot of money, but
Look at the
you would
interior.
think it'd be more.
There's so much space.
Yeah, this the real Hummer right here, boy. This the first one. Big boy tires on it.
This right here.
Range Rover. It's one your mama on right here.
Beautiful.
Over fence.
This is a race one. I think mom wants one of these, definitely.
Yep. Big boy
Got
grill on
the
the side. Rolls Royce.
Got the G-Wagon. I seen somebody with the G-Wagon at that gas station at practice one time. We went there.
Look how tall it is.
Yeah, this is the one of the, FaZe Rug has one of these.
For real?
Yeah, he's a, you know FaZe Rug?
Who?
He's a famous YouTuber. He has a lot of money. He has like
What's his name?
FaZe Rug.
180,000. Man,
Porsche, the Lamborghini truck.
years. Look at the seats in this thing.
Yellow. That one got brown.
Yeah, this is a nice fleet of cars, y'all.
That's the race one. It's
All white Lamborghini years. Oh yeah, the Cadillac.
all black SUV.
Matte black. Woo.
Ferrari.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, mom is a
These cars up here, these belong to the dealership or these customers'
Oh,
cars?
those are personals.
Personal?
Personal cars. You can store them here if you want. They rate you out install it if you want.
Really?
I think a lot of these guys hide it from their wives.
I never thought of that, but that's some cold stuff right there,
You
man.
can tell that's a Lamborghini right there in the car.
Like, if you decide to leave, you ain't getting this. You don't even know what's over here.
I think you leave it here, you come drive by your lunch break.
Yeah. Look at the McLaren over there.
McLaren P1. I love McLaren P1. So
Look at this right here. Hold on, before we get to the McLaren over here. What is this? This is a Cadillac. Old school caddy. You know what year this is? 50 something?
Man, I couldn't tell you exactly what year that is.
Yeah.
Probably 50 something.
That's nice.
Look at the back of this sucker right here. Woo. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's looking at McLaren. They got the Maybach over here. Check the McLaren out. Back short. Somebody rolls over right here. That more dirty. Another McLaren up there. Ferrari. Oh, this is amazing, y'all.
Guess what the door handle is?
Huh?
Guess what the door handle is?
What?
Yes. It's right here. You just pull it up.
Oh yeah, I see it.
That's like one good thing about McLaren. Some McLarens have like the sensor.
All right, y'all. As you can see, I am so undecided on which car to buy, or to get, but everyone knows the 488 is my baby. One day I'm gonna get one of them cars.
Lucky Productions, Go Lucky.
And it's your boy CJ on 32. Shout out to my boy Go Lucky. Wow, this town James Sweet.
Go Lucky. Hey, we doing it bigger than big, baby. Goddamn right. You goddamn right. You gotta stay tuned, man. You heard? Come on, man. Hey, we always live, right? Always.